Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by placing focus where the text lives, then press Ctrl plus F to open the Find box. Type the word or phrase you want. You should see the first hit highlighted immediately. Once done, use Enter to jump forward through matches and Shift plus Enter to go back. Make sure to include punctuation or spacing if searching for an exact snippet, because Find matches literal characters by default. This first step gets you into the loop of locating content fast. Now refine. Toggle match case or whole word when your initial search returns too many irrelevant hits. You can also enable rejects or advanced options if available to match patterns like digits or dates. Navigate results with Enter and Shift plus Enter, or the UI arrows, and skim surrounding text to confirm context. If you need to change text, press Ctrl plus H to replace, but preview each replacement. These middle steps turn simple finding into deliberate editing and review. Finish by reviewing every highlighted instance to ensure replacements or deletions are correct. Mistakes multiply if you use Replace All blindly. Save or export when you're done, and optionally run one more find to verify no unwanted remnants remain. If Ctrl plus F seems unresponsive, check that the document window is focused. Disable interfering extensions, or try Command plus F on Mac OS. This single troubleshooting step fixes most unresponsive files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.